In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page break in LibreOffice. If you're working in LibreOffice Writer and a new page is starting where you don't want it to, there's a good chance a manual page break has been inserted. The good news is that removing it is very quick once you know what to look for. To get started, open your LibreOffice Writer file. Make sure you're in the document where the unwanted page break appears. If your text suddenly jumps to the next page and the spacing seems unusual, that's usually a sign that a manual break is controlling the layout. Next, look for the page break indicator inside the document. In LibreOffice Writer, this often appears as a dashed line or a gray or blue paragraph-style marker showing where the manual break has been added. It may sit between paragraphs or at the start of a section where the next page begins. Take a moment to click directly on that line or indicator so LibreOffice recognizes that you want to edit that break. Once you click it, a small drop-down button should appear. This is the option you'll use to manage the break. Click that drop-down, and from the menu that appears, choose Delete Page Break. As soon as you do that, the manual break will be removed, and your text should flow naturally back into place. That's all it takes. If the document doesn't seem to change right away, just give it a second and look at the surrounding paragraphs to confirm the content has rejoined correctly. Sometimes the adjustment is subtle, especially if there's a lot of spacing or formatting nearby. It can also help to scroll slightly up and down the page to make sure the break is truly gone. One useful tip is to pay close attention to whether you're removing a manual page break and not just regular paragraph spacing. A manual break is usually clearly marked, while normal spacing between paragraphs won't show that same break indicator. So if you don't see the dashed line or gray or blue marker, you may be dealing with a different formatting issue. But in most cases, if you spot that visible break line, click it, open the drop-down, and select Delete Page Break. LibreOffice will remove it immediately, and that's how to remove a page break in LibreOffice Writer.